Guess the word by emoji. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's pineapple. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's keyboard. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's earring. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's lipstick. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's teacher. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's handbag. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's eggplant. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's jellyfish. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's Dr. Pepper. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's meatball. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's onion rings. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's blueberry. Can you guess the word? Great job, it's monkey.
Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.